there's more to the Combo Life. For starters, it comes in 2 lengths, regular and XL. That's loads of space to fit all the things a family needs. With flexible rear seating, the Combo Life will work around those needs in an instant. Even bigger families won't feel crowded with up to 7 seats. While sliding side doors make it quick and easy to jump in and out. The Combo Life can accommodate up to 4 ISOFIX seats, and there's plenty of storage. The tailgate window can open independently of the tailgate. And the panoramic roof with overhead storage is bound to be a big hit. There's more to the Combo Life. First up, there's the keyless entry and start. Perfect if you need to keep your hands free. Simply keep your keys in your pocket or your bag. Never run out of phone battery again with wireless charging, and stay connected with Bluetooth. Even on the coldest days, you can keep warm with the heated steering wheel and seats. The advanced multimedia navigation means you'll never get lost, while an easy-to-use 8-inch touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay will keep you entertained. Reversing is a doddle in the Combo Life with a 180-degree panoramic rear-view camera. On the road, the Combo's range of efficient engines and an 8-speed automatic option deliver a great driving experience with impressive fuel economy. And if you do find yourself in a tight spot, the Advanced Park Assist will do all the work for you. There's more to the Combo Life. In traffic, the adaptive cruise control system brakes and accelerates to maintain a safe driving distance from the vehicle in front until the road clears. Forward collision alert warns you of a potential collision with the car in front or a pedestrian. That's when the automatic emergency braking will kick in and bring you to a safe stop fast. If you accidentally drift from your lane, then the Combo's Lane Keep Assist will alert you and gently help you regain control if you don't react. And with the side blind spot alert, a light on the wing mirror warns you of any vehicles out of view. Driving can be tiring. That's why the Combo Life's Driver Drowsiness Alert monitors your attentiveness and suggests you take a break. Speed sign recognition helps you stay within the speed limit. Visible on the head-up display. Need more traction? Simply switch to IntelliGrip.